Hi and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the best text-to-speech software in 2022. So let's begin. We recommend Flicky AI, which is the best text-to-speech and video creation platform. Let us demonstrate for you through a step-by-step guide about this platform. So let's start with a brief introduction. Flicky is a text-to-speech and text-to-video converter that helps you create audio and video content using AI voices in just less than a minute. With Flicky, you can convert your blog articles or any text-based content into a video or a podcast or audiobook with voiceovers in just a few clicks. Flicky offers more than 700 voices in more than 65 languages and over 100 regional dialects. It is the only text to speech solution with so many loaded features, along with the best user experience. You can boost your user base by republishing your content in different formats on YouTube, TikTok, Spotify, and Instagram. To get started, click on Start Creating on the top right corner. You will be taken to the sign up page. You can continue with your Google ID or your Facebook ID or LinkedIn ID, or you can simply sign up with your email ID. Complete the sign up process, and then you will be taken to your dashboard. Here on the left sidebar, you can see there are 4 tabs, which are scripts, videos, podcasts, and audiobooks. To use the text to audio service, click on the Scripts tab. This is your workspace. Here you have to add scripts and you can select different voices for your script. In the top right corner, you can see that there are 2 options here. One is background music and the other is the pronunciation map. Now let's do some sample work to better understand this platform. Enter your text here in this box. You can start typing or you can paste it from any other source through the clipboard. Click on the name here to select the voice for your text. A pop-up window will open like this. Select the language from this drop-down menu, and then from this drop-down menu you can select the dialect. You can change the voice's gender from this drop-down. You can select the voice style, like there are many over here: angry, cheerful, sad, and so on, from this drop-down. Here you can see the different voices available. Click on any one of it to listen to it. Once you have finalized the voice for your script, click on the select button in the bottom of this pop-up window. To listen to the voice for your text, click on this play button. It will play the whole text in the voice that you have selected. Now click on the 3 dots to see various options like change voice, duplicate, upload audio file, and download. If you click on this plus icon, you can add a new text line to your text. Type the text in this text box and you can change the voice of it to the same one that you had used in the previous line. To add a background music along with the voice, click on the background music button on the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear like this, on which you can just click on Choose Music File. Select the music from the Stock Library tab. You can click on the play button next to the music file to listen to a preview of this music. You can also import your own music by clicking on the My Library tab. After selecting the background music, adjust its volume, and that you can do using this slide over here. And finally, click on the Save button. With this, the background music will be added along with the voice for your script. After adding all the lines of the script, you can listen to it by clicking on the play button in the bottom center. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on the download symbol to download the voice in MP3 format. So in this way, you can generate a voiceover for your script. You can also create a video with this voiceover. And to do so, you need to click on the Videos tab in the left side bar. You need to enter over here a title for your video in this title box. The next step is to select the size of the video you want to create, and that you can do from this drop-down menu. Here you can see that there are options like square, portrait, and landscape. Now, after selecting the size, if you want to add a fade effect between the lines, just tick on this box. You can also add a subtitle to your video by selecting this box. Finally, just click on the Save button. The process of adding texts, selecting voices, and other features will be the same as what we demonstrated in the Script tab earlier. The only difference is that here you have to add an image or footage to create the video. For this, you can click on the image symbol next to the text box. A pop-up window will appear, and in this, under the Stock Library tab, you will see that there are a lot of images and videos. Scroll down to see all the available media. All the images and videos that are displayed here have the Creative Commons license, which means you can use them freely in your video without violating anyone's copyright. After selecting the image or footage for your video, click on it to add it to your script. You can also use your own stock images or footages by clicking on the My Library tab. After adding the texts, images, videos, and selecting the voices as well, you can see a preview for your video by clicking on this preview button on the top right corner. Click on the More button to see some advanced features like edit video, import from URL, background music, and pronunciation map. Once you have finished everything and you're satisfied with your video, click on the Export button on the top right corner. So this is how you can use Flicky AI for your text-to-speech and video creation projects. Before wrapping this video up, let's talk about the credit system on Flicky. If you're using the free membership plan, you will get 500 free credits every month. To check the usage of your credits, click on the Account button on the top right corner, and under the Credits tab, you can see the graph of credit usages along with the dates. To upgrade your free plan, click on the Subscribe to Flicky button. If you have any promo code, click on the Redeem Code button to apply the same. One of the features of Flicky that makes it more advantageous over its rival text-to-speech tools is that you can earn credits through many ways. For this, click on the Rewards tab. And here you can see, for following on social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, you will get 100 credits for each one. If you review Flicky on websites like AppSumo, Trustpilot, G2 Crowd, and Capterra, you will get 500 credits for each review. Also, you can increase your monthly quota by up to 2,300 credits by spreading the word about Flicky. That brings this video to an end. We truly hope you like it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on a specific topic, feel free to comment those below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.